Closer to 1-1.
Do not enter.
Next.
To not find it funny is one thing. I don't really care about that.
I don't care.
Yeah.
Don't share it. Move on. Share an angry emoji reaction. Do whatever you want.
But to actually take time out of your day,
take a deep breath. Open up a comment.
To think it's real.
Take your little thoughts out.
To think that you need to tell people
and make us aware, just in case, that they actually booked Bret Hart to win those.
It's unbelievable.
They chose him. It wasn't a real athletic competition.
Unbelievable. So,
folks,
hey,
if you had to stop and do that, if you couldn't resist that urge yesterday, I'm just saying, out loud and clearly, we can't be friends.
I will sit here and say, personally, thank you to anybody who pointed out that wrestling isn't real. I just wasn't aware. I wasn't aware, Carl.
You know when Mr. Perfect threw that huge pass downfield and ran under it to catch it?
No, Carl,
I don't want to break this to you.
No!
I don't want to break this to you.
Do it.
There might have been a camera involved.
In various candy-making processes, while you just arbitrarily choose which child will inherit your fortune.
Inning on a similar ball to his left. That time he flags it down and gets the first out. Blue Jays are going to make his splitter more effective too. Now with 2 strikes, Bo Bichette has moved over. They now have 3 infielders on the right side, no infielders on the left side.
Time. Don't miss out. Get your tickets now at BlueJays.com/5050. And tomorrow, Ben